Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crypto Income Secrets, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest crypto tips and tutorials. Today we're diving into a super important topic: how to safely transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will ensure your funds are transferred securely and efficiently. So let's get started. First, why would you want to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance? Well, Binance is one of the largest and most trusted crypto exchanges in the world, offering lower fees, more trading pairs, and advanced features like staking and earning programs. By moving your USDT to Binance, you can take advantage of these benefits and grow your crypto portfolio. Now let's walk through the process step by step. Follow along carefully to ensure a smooth and secure transfer. Log into your OKX account. Open the OKX app or website and log in using your credentials. If you've lost access to your account, use your 12-word recovery phrase to restore your wallet. Remember, never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Locate your USDT balance. Go to the Assets or Wallet section. Find your USDT balance and click Withdraw or Send. Get your Binance USDT deposit address, log into your Binance account, go to Wallet. Spot Wallet and find USDT. Click Deposit and select the network, for example, TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Copy the deposit address provided by Binance. Withdraw USDT from OKX to Binance. Paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal section on OKX. Double-check the address and network to ensure they match. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction and complete any security verifications, such as two-factor authentication. Wait for the transfer to complete. The transfer may take a few minutes to several hours, depending on the network. Once completed, your USDT will appear in your Binance wallet. Before we wrap up, here are some crucial security tips to keep in mind. Never share your 12-word recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. Always double-check wallet addresses before sending funds. Use official platforms and apps for transactions. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on both OKX and Binance for added security. Remember, staying safe is the key to success in the crypto world. If you don't have a Binance account yet, what are you waiting for? Sign up today using the link below and start taking advantage of one of the best crypto platforms out there. Plus, you'll be supporting this channel, so it's a win-win. Super sign up on Binance now. Insert your referral link. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Crypto Income Secrets for more crypto tips, tutorials, and secrets. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep growing your crypto income.